Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Arlene Tavio from Limbaan, New Corelia, Davao del Norte. I am 29 years old and I'm single. My mother's name is Leticia Tabia and my father's name is Rinaldo Tabia. I have one brother and one sister. I am the third member of the family. My previous job in abroad is housekeeping, and almost 3 years. My job is cleaning, washing clothes, cooking, and ironing, and also taking care of my bedridden employer and taking care of her two special children. To my prospective employer, please trust me because I am kind and honest person and I have a long patience. So I will try my best and do my duties. I am honest person. That's all. Thank you. God bless you, Ma'am and Sir.